The Nikon NIKKOR 28mm 2.8 is a wonderful lens, and it's amazingly sharp to my surprise. I love the look of vintage lenses, but one of the biggest things that keeps me away from buying more of them is the possibility of having a bunch of fungus or dust or moisture inside from age or just misuse. I got this lens for around 130 bucks at a local camera store, and when I shoot with something like this, it makes me question why I'm paying for all those features in a lens that I don't really need. For example, the aperture hasn't been declicked, it's all clicky, but I don't change aperture while rolling, so I don't understand why I need that. It doesn't have autofocus, but with the Blackmagic Pocket 6K, I don't use autofocus. It's lightweight, it's super sharp, and it gives a look that I don't really see with my other glass. There are lenses out there that offer great features, and yet I'm paying for most of them without even using most of them. Sure, in an ideal world, I'd like to have a full set of fully declicked contact Zeiss primes, with focus rings, the same lens diameter for filters, etc. But for right now, sometimes I can't beat trying a lens that has a lot of character and with a cheaper price tag too. When I can save $500 on a lens and it still looks really, really good, has some character to it, I'm all about that. I can't think of a reason to not go for that. It's personal preference, and some people might call it a flaw, but when this lens is sharp, the light source turns blue. And again, some people might call it a flaw, but honestly, the weirder the lens, the better. As long as it's sharp and not super muddy, I like the lens that has some character to it, so I can't complain. So when I throw my Sigma 1835 1.8 and see how amazingly sharp the image looks, I'm thankful I spent the money on such a great piece of glass. It's beautiful, wide open, has a solid exterior, has weight to help with stabilization, but sometimes I like the little guy. That's not scientific, but sometimes the way an image makes you feel has nothing to do with science and everything to do with how it makes you feel. So Deacon said that. That wasn't me. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching and subscribe so I can make lots of money. See ya.